What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. Today we got a long day and a lot of projects, man. So I got my boy Steve out here with me. Yeah, up there on the roof already. We got a gutter cleaning job this morning, and then we got a roof and a house wash, and maybe a pool deck and a pool cage. We're gonna try to squeeze all of them in. What's up? We at job number 2. We got a roof cleaning back there, you know what I'm saying? We're getting set up right now. We got Steve pulling the hoses so we can start watering the plants down. Once we start watering the plants, we'll be ready to go. Got some bushes back there. Just want to protect everything. Let's take a look. See what we got back there.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. What is it, a river? It's flowing. Oh, it's not that bad. Alright.
Water the trees and then the tip.
Yeah, I mean that's far, but we still hit them. Yeah, we're gonna start from this side. Let's start from the front. We at the 3rd job for the day. Got my man Steve over here at this beautiful house. All we're doing, man, is rinsing off the cobwebs and spiders and stuff like that. Check out this view. This is beautiful right here. 3 jobs down. We got one more day. We got a roof wash partial. I just want the front side of the roof done. So I figured since we got a little daylight left, we're gonna knock it out. All right, we'll catch y'all at the next job. right, man, we done for the day. Pretty good day today, man. Brought in shy of 2K today on 4 jobs. Not bad. Take that all day. Me and Steve, we about to get some food, man. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. It's all good though. I ain't complaining, man. It was a good day though. Back at it again on Sunday. My son starts football tomorrow, so I'm not gonna miss that. Catch y'all later.